So today is the day we are here to get the coilovers put on. Red, baby, big red getting coilovers. So hopefully he'll give it a second to show me here, because I haven't seen him yet. And I got the control arms back there ready to go for him. Let me get out and get everything ready. I see Justin is handling the customer, so I'm just be patient and catch y'all in a second. What they doing here? Oh damn, new bumper?
Oh man, this guy spent 25 grand getting forces, everything.
American Forces?
Yeah.
What size?
He went 20 by 9.
20 by 9s? Yeah. Oh, I thought he was gonna come with some 20.
Man, he's like,
oh, okay.
I need something bigger.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna come with some 24 by 14s or 26s or something, man.
He said, I don't want them to stick out.
Holy shit. Oh, here they are. Holy. Oh, yeah. Oh, you gotta take them all the way out. Y'all see it right there. I mean,
sneak peek.
Yeah, this is sneak peek. I don't want to hold you up, man. I appreciate it.
You're good, man.
Damn, so where's the canister? I guess
that's it right there.
That's it? I thought he had a sticker on it, like Vertex sticker on it. Unless it's in the packaging or something.
Yeah, you probably have to put it on there.
Yeah, okay. So unless it's in there. This fell out.
All right.
And control arms in the back seat. In the back seat of the truck, so.
All right.
Damn, this bitch is clean, though. This is what is this, a limited? Yeah. Sheesh. So Justin was pretty busy. Couldn't really get a chance to show me the coilovers in there, but anyway, so I'm about to go ahead and move the truck around to the back, drop it off. All right, guys, so they're gonna red. Damn, she look good, man. So we about to get the control arms and the coilovers put over. Again, fortunately, I couldn't get that for y'all, you know, but I wanted to see the coilovers before I put them on. But it is what it is, man. But she looking good, looking real thick and delicious. Look at her, thick. Anyway, guys, once it's all done, I'll come back and show y'all the final product. So we back, we here. I can see red right here. Man, red look kind of thick from the side though, for real. Don't she look a little thick? Thick-alicious. All right, let's see the coilovers, y'all. Y'all ready to see this? And, oh shit, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks way 10 times better than the other shit. Oh my God, I ain't even gonna go talk to Justin yet. It looks 10 times better than the other stuff. Ooh. So it's on 3. It's set to 3 right now, as y'all can see. I'm probably gonna set it to about 1. But yeah, it looks way better. I probably could have got those painted red just to add a little more color to it. But yeah. I might take the sticker off. What y'all think? Take the sticker off or leave it on? Comment below. The color isn't matched 100%. To be honest with you, like that's a darker red than red is. But hopefully under the light, it's gonna brighten it up a little bit. Well, not this side. This side look okay. But y'all can see, man, got them boys in there. Rough Country Vertex Coilovers, guys. So this is my first time buying coilovers too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this sticker off because I think that sticker is throwing it off just a tad bit. This is on 5. You just turn it. So it's on 2. See the other side real quick. So, oh, that's on 4, 3. Yeah. Anyway, I'm probably gonna run like at 1 and see what happens. And also, guys, you can see now it's should be pretty level. I don't think there's a rake anymore. It's definitely more level now than before, because y'all saw in the earlier video, I was a 1/4 of an inch higher in the back than I was in the front. So now I'm sitting pretty, look like it's sitting pretty level, or I'm a little higher in the front now, just a tad bit. Yeah, what you think? You think so leave it on or take it off?
Oh, the BDS sticker?
Yeah.
I'll leave it on.
Leave it on?
I like it.
Okay, I'll leave it on, see how I like it for a little while.
It'll look kind of no name without it, you know?
Yeah, and then like, so.
You could always get another one though if you didn't like it, you know?
What's that?
Another BDS sticker, like if you rip it off.
Yeah.
But I mean, I think it looked
good.
Too.
Did y'all drive it? Did you drive it at all?
I did. I wanted to.
You want to?
Yeah.
You want to drive it now? See what it feel like?
Yeah, man.
All right, come on. I mean, I got to drive it anyway. You got the keys?
Yeah.
All right. Do you follow D-Max Rhino? He's a YouTube guy.
Yeah, I know who you're talking
Yeah,
about.
big truck. Yeah, that's his brand. So he had that.
That's a good message for people.
Yeah, it is, man. That's exactly what I did for this shit, man.
Yeah.
This took like 6 years to get.
I love D-Max Rhino.
I got a 81 Camaro these guys are restoring over here.
Okay.
And I walked over to one of my buddies the other day, and I had him guys some cash. He said, man, where'd you get this car? I said,
That's all for exactly, man.
I said,
Dude,
this thing was a hunk of junk when I bought it. I said, I gutted the interior out.
Yeah.
I said, put JB Weld in the holes in the seat, underlined it myself.
Yeah.
I said, got it to where it run. I said, I got it over here. I said, it took me a year, and I worked my ass.
That's all for it, yeah. That's why I got that sticker, because I work for it. Thank you.
Over here anytime.
Thank you, I appreciate it, man. You ready? Go ahead.
Take a picture of that.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Justin's gonna drive it first really quick. Oh, see, it does sit up higher in the front. I can tell. It feels like a little squat.
Yeah, I like it.
Just a little bit. Oh, my bad.
Just a hair. I mean,
yeah, just a hair. I like it too. So did they jack my way up, do you know, or where is that?
no, we literally just left them where they were out of the box.
Oh, perfect then.
Yeah.
So it sits pretty good. You can adjust your seat.
Yeah, because we didn't really know how it was going to sit. So
yeah.
No, it's good actually.
All right.
You sit kind of close to where I sit, honestly.
Yeah.
You maybe lean back just a little bit more. But
I feel the difference already. So another guy who had his was like hitting on something, and my guy Pete, he installed his own, and it was like a clicking noise. But
for real, man, the sport logo is different than on my truck. It's weird.
Oh, is it?
The S, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. I don't know if I'm able to tell the difference until I get behind the wheel.
Yeah, I'm gonna be comparing it to my stock F-150. So.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
So I got it on 2. It was like on 4 or 5. So I moved it to like 2. I don't know where that is.
Oh man, it rides good.
You think?
I think so.
I think I can feel a difference.
It's almost like the front rides smoother than the back, even with them Fox shocks.
Oh, does it? So when I put the Fox shocks on, I instantly noticed a difference with the ride quality from the front to the rear. The Fox, it felt way better. The front felt way rougher with the Fox shocks. I mean, the rough country shocks. Can you tell the difference?
Man, I think so.
He said, I think so.
It rides good. What kind of air pressure are you running?
30, about 37, 38, 36, 38, somewhere in there. What you run?
I run about 35, yeah.
I think it's a little smoother, man. I mean, it does feel a little smoother. And I said, I might run them to 1, you know?
I think it's good, man.
It's at 2, so I think 8 is the firmest pressure.
For a 6-inch lift and 35s.
Yeah, oh, they got it, yeah.
That's good down this road, man. Because this bumpy ass road.
It is a terrible road. Nah, you good. I think it does feel a little better in the front end, man.
Yeah, it does.
Everybody who has them loves them so far, man, for what they are.
You want to cruise it back, or you want me to keep cruising it?
Nah, I'm gonna do a first drive on the video, so
Okay, yeah, well,
you're good.
Anyways, yeah.
Yeah, you're good. I just wanted to see what your thoughts was.
Yeah.
I really wish
I would have driven it before, but
yeah, before and after.
But I've driven a 6-inch lift.
So you know what it feels like.
Yeah, this rides better than my black truck did for sure.
Oh, did it?
Yeah,
That's good, dude.
my black truck. I always had issues with that truck, like wobbling and stuff on the highway, man.
What were you running? What was the setup?
Rough country 6-inch, 20x14s, and I had 22x14s.
Oh, you was running 14 wides though. I mean,
Yeah.
would that might change the ride quality a little bit.
What it ended up being was the tires. I had Toyo RTs on there.
Okay.
They were out of round and they were making it wobble.
Slow down real quick.
Yeah.
Look at this truck. Why is his front wheel sticking out further in the back? Do he have front end spacers? Do you see that?
Yeah.
I seen that on another truck. I seen a guy riding his fronts were like 2
you
inches.
know why?
Why is that?
That's how Chevys are.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have to put
just-
spacers on the rear?
Yeah, you just notice it because of the bigger wheels. Then you notice it more.
Yeah.
But on a stock Chevy, I know because my buddy's
That's
he's got an LB7,
Yeah.
and he put spacers on the back because the back's more narrow than the front.
Okay. I seen another Chevy, like it was a Chevy, and I'm like, what the fuck? It looked weird.
You Chevy guys will know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, y'all know what Justin's talking about. That's crazy. I was about to say,
Oh man.
oh yeah, you drove the MPT to him? Yeah, hit me with that.
Oh man, that's got some get up to it.
Yeah, you got a little.
I barely got my foot in the gas.
They out here playing golf. Yeah, you go ahead, Floyd, right here. Oh my god.
This guy's screwed.
Just spinning tires, man.
That's funny.
So what you think?
I like it, man. I think it's a good driving truck.
It feels better on the front end, man. I could be wrong, but we'll see. I'm gonna for sure let you know. I want to compare this to like versus a Fox shock truck. I just want to see the difference, but it's so hard to get that unless you drive both of them like back to back. That's the only way you gonna really get a chance to really get that experience. But
Just find somebody with some Fox coilovers.
I know who got some Fox coilovers, man, and come through. So like again, guys, I went this because I got the upper control arms in the coilovers for about the same price as just the Fox coilovers alone. So the Fox coilovers, I think it was like what, 19?
Yeah.
And this was total about what, $19,200, something like that.
I think with install about $2,000.
Yeah. So it's about the price. 2 for the price was 1 is what I went. Justin approves, man. He said he approved. So
I'm impressed. It's better than I thought.
he said he's impressed. Cause you're not a big rough country guy, are you?
No, I mean, not really, but I wasn't gonna knock their coilers because I've heard good things about them.
Yeah, me too. I have heard nothing but good things. They haven't been out. They only been out for about a year or 2, huh? They haven't been out too long.
I guess so, yeah. It looks so good though, man.
Yeah. The only thing the paint is a little off with just a tad, because but the ruby red color is super hard to match, like aftermarket, because you can see my mirror caps.
Oh, it's the hardest, yeah.
Yeah,
it matches the mirror cap.
It matches the mirror cap, exactly. But hopefully when I put the lights on it.
Hey, you know mine are dark too. You see my mirror caps? You can tell from right here, they're dark.
Oh, those aftermarket?
Yeah, they're the same one. You probably bought them for the same place.
eBay.
Yeah.
You really can't tell unless you like staring at it, you know. I mean, like being out of truck, we know.
And that's my truck. Every time I look at it, I'm like,
damn, yeah. But everybody else, nobody really notices until. Yeah. But hopefully the light on it, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, it does make it look better.
Will make it look a little red, a little more red. I do wish I probably would have got these red too.
Yeah.
Just I see it now. It looks good.
So you said you're gonna pull the Vertex sticker off?
I think I'm gonna keep it, man. I think I'm gonna keep it. Wait, is it just right here? Oh, it's just right here. Oh, it's just literally that.
Yeah.
Oh, that shit's super easy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it was something bigger.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
I like it.
You like it? You're not just saying it, huh? I had it. It was on 4 before you jumped in. I put him at 2, so I'm probably just adjust it.
adjusting.
Yeah. So I'll probably go down to 1. Just I don't know. Just to play with it.
Soft.
Yeah, super soft. We'll see. We'll see.
Cool that you can adjust it though.
Yeah. I mean,
it might ride better on the higher setting.
you think so? The firmer setting? I don't know. Yeah, we'll have to see.
On the road drive.
Exactly. I think it just depends. So I do like the fact that it's a little more level now. You want to measure it? You got a measuring tape?
I do.
On you?
No.
I just wanted to see, just out of curiosity.
Gotta grab it too.
Yeah, gonna grab it real quick if you don't mind. So I don't know where we was at last time, but you need me to hold it?
45 3/4.
45 3/4. Yeah, I think last time we was at like 44, 43.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah, just about.
It's actually seems like a little higher than that.
Still think so? It might be. I mean, but
It's pretty close. I mean, it's hard to tell because this fender flare is like curled out. It looks like.
oh, it is. I wonder why. It looks like it is, but
Yeah, you're about.
okay.
You're about the same.
That's cool. It is
It looks
kind
like it's
of.
higher than front.
It does look like it. Like it has like a little squat to it.
I think it's perfect. It's literally.
Yeah, it is.
It's because you're used to seeing it lower in the front.
Yeah, I like it. Perfect. 'Cause I thought about jacking it all the way up. I'm like, I don't want to really be squatting. John, but he said he got his all the way up. He said he kind of got like a little squat going just a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, John Solis.
Yeah. He said he got a little solid. I like it like this. It's perfect. Anyway.
I'll tell you what, man. It's crazy that you wouldn't think putting some suspension parts, but you see it. Like.
Oh
especially
yeah.
If you're a truck guy. You're
Oh
like,
yeah. Oh shit. You see it,
You're like, hell
dude.
yeah.
I looked at the stock parts in the back. They look terrible. Like just the look, you know.
Yeah.
And they heavy as shit.
And see, you got a million other trucks out there with rough country lifts on them.
Yeah.
You don't have any. That gives you that extra
It
status.
gives you extra status. Yeah. Did you look at these? I mean, so I heard you need to keep these because apparently they can't be rebuilt. Those in the front or some crap.
We're talking about the arms thing.
I don't know. No, the guy said that I think those can't be rebuilt if something go wrong.
The arms.
The coilovers.
Oh, the coilovers.
They said make sure you keep your stock parts. I think I seen it somewhere. Rough Country said too.
Oh yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, they're not rebuildable like the Fox ones are.
Yes, exactly.
I put the layer grill on my truck.
Oh, you did?
Notice?
No, I didn't. I saw it when I pulled up.
It's freaking filthy, but
Yeah. Oh, you was out there in the snow. I seen your videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that shit. Oh, damn. Yeah. Dude, this is the like best looking grill, bro.
I know.
I love this grill, man.
And I hate aftermarket grills for the most part. So
This aftermarket?
No, this is factory.
Oh, okay. I was about to say. But say, damn, they matched it pretty damn good if it's aftermarket.
Yeah, that body shop down the street painted it. I bought it off of eBay. It was in Leadfoot.
Okay. Oh, lead for gray.
Cost me like $200 shipped.
Okay.
It's a bet, man.
And then the emblem was already.
Oh no, I had to order that too. I ordered it from Michael Bullock.
Okay.
On Facebook.
I guarantee a lot of guys gonna be asking me, wait, where do you get that from again?
Seriously, hit up Michael Bullock on Facebook.
Mike, how you spell it? Spell it for him.
It's Michael, like M-I-C-H-A-E-L, and then Bullock, B-U-L-L-O-C-K. If you go join the F-150 EcoBoost group,
Yeah.
you can search his name in there. He's always in that group posting about his emblems and stuff.
Okay.
He paints them and all that. And
Yeah.
It's a really good deal.
Okay.
$350 for everything, for front, back, and fenders.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. All of it. It looks
haven't put the
good.
fenders on yet,
This looks really good. What do you mean, like your your F-150 on the side?
Yeah.
This is my wife. This is my wife, Brielle. This is Justin.
Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, can I use your restroom?
I'm the one that takes all his money.
Yeah. He is. He is. Can she use the restroom?
Yeah, absolutely.
Where's, you know, oh,
It's
shit.
like in the back left.
Okay.
Yeah.
But, oh, you saying you got these in black too?
Yeah, I got them in
Black and chrome?
I got it in gray and black.
Gray and black. Okay. Okay.
I didn't want to do black like everybody else.
Yeah, yeah. You know, I said, look at Justin out there in the fucking snow, spinning that shit.
I should have put my 35s on for that shit.
Why don't you run your 35s?
Because I can't say no to the speed, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna put them on though.
Yeah.
I've also got this weekend I'm doing injectors and fuel pump.
Oh, are you? So you about to speed like for real on this one, huh?
Man, it's already fast. It's gonna be
Yeah, I know we raced and it was pretty quick.
Yeah, shoot, that was way before I did anything.
I know. You got time to go for a real?
Yeah, let's go.
Let me tell the wife. Hold on. All right.